Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the BMW M2 in NFS Unbound. To get this exciting car, you'll need to complete a specific challenge. Perform 25 near misses while driving any BMW and being actively pursued by the police. This isn't about story progression or cash, but rather a direct driving skill test that rewards precision. To successfully complete this challenge, first select any BMW from your garage. Next, you must get into an active police chase. While the cops are pursuing you, perform 25 near misses. These can be on civilian traffic or even the police vehicles themselves. Focus on narrowly avoiding collisions to register each near miss. For the quickest unlock, pick a BMW that handles well and has good acceleration. Head to a densely populated area of Lakeshore City to find more traffic, increasing your near-miss opportunities. It's crucial to keep the police chase active throughout the process, as near misses only count during pursuit. Don't escape too early. Once you've successfully completed the 25 near misses challenge, the BMW M2 will be unlocked and available for purchase at the in-game dealership. Head there to add this fantastic car to your collection. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy tearing up the streets in your new M2.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.